Oh my god, Motor Addicts, you guys are nuts, but you make my dreams come true.
Running about.
Oh, we're gonna do one.
Welcome to the back of Stu's head and the beginning of another motivated video.
Hi guys.
Why is the Escort behind us in the air?
Well,
quite exciting news.
I know, actually, here we go,
Go on.
right, so the Escort is coming back to life. So, the Escort broke a drive shaft, we've got bits of it somewhere, maybe if I find it, I can show you some evidence, jazz hands. So it's going back together because we're taking it to Adam C. We're going to do a burnout. People know it from the channel because it was one of the videos that, you know,
broke us.
Yeah, it was
And
quite
we've never
successful.
done anything with it ourselves.
No, it was raced for one season. We broke it, fixed it, and now it's been dormant. And so we're going to get back up and running. So the starter motor needs installing. We've got to put the sump back up. I'm doing some remedial stuff that actually will need to come apart again later on because we've got to do other preparational stuff for the season.
Race.
Yeah, but this is just to go there, wipe it down, show it off, have some fun, make some noise, and disturb the peace, basically.
We were given the opportunity to do that at Adam C Fest, which hopefully you'll see, or would have seen if you follow us. And this seemed like a great opportunity to dig
why
it out.
wouldn't you do it? So thank you, Adam C. Thank you, Chiro.
We can even
Thank
put
you.
the clips of the burnout at the end of the video.
Well, you're the editor.
We'll
so
do it in
maybe-
two parts. This will be a bit about prep for the show, bit of the show, and then we'll end with the finale of the drive shaft giving. No, it won't be giving way. It'll
Not
be
these
fine.
ones. No,
It'll be fine.
these drive shafts are like tonk.
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 Yeah.
I haven't
That's the
said
new
tonk
one.
for years.
No, I know.
And on that
because we're
note,
old.
let's crack on.
Let's get some
Let's get
spanners
some
out.
tonking.
So first of all, we are going to play with a prop shaft.
Yes. I
With
just wanted
many bearings.
I wanted to show you a quick thing, right? Bear with me. Right.
That's been refurbished, that.
So.
I know, I had to go pick it up.
Where was it? Something engineering?
Definitely not. JW Engineering,
Something
thank
engineering.
you for cutting and balancing and painting this prop
Just sort it
shaft.
out, and they did the Datsun as well. Right.
Yeah.
So the
Which we will not talk about at the moment.
no.
Those bits there.
Yeah. So these. Those of you who've got a prop shaft in a car
Who's
that's
going to
like
know?
this.
Who's watching this now will know about this? Go on, no, please.
I bet
No,
loads of
there will
I will
be.
give you
Do
the
you reckon?
credit, viewers. You will do. Some people
Comment
will know about it.
below if you know what he's about to say.
Right. Okay. So you've got this. Right. There's a UJ there, and then you've got rollers. And what happens?
Come in.
On the diff, you've got like can you see those half moon sort of shapes there?
Yeah.
Right. And so these like
Line up with that.
Yeah, they go in there. But all that holds them in is I'm gonna try not to face this into the camera. Are these that sort of go like this and clamp it too, yeah?
Right.
Right, but if you imagine, every time you do a trans brake launch at the track, these are
Under stress.
there's an instant exertion of torque and they're getting yanked, right? What we did spot when we took this apart last time was this.
Oh shit.
Crack one in half.
It's
Nearly.
actually split.
Wow.
If that had let go, so what happens, you have to have a prop loop, which is this bit
Is
here.
this story a lot longer because this isn't getting lighter?
No, well, you probably need the exercise. So you got a prop
The
loop
exercise
there.
in my arms.
If
Look at
that
him with
helps.
his chubby arms.
If that lets go, which would have happened, which was on the edge of happening there, that would have probably come through the floor of the car. Anyway, it's boring for some people. I found it interesting. I think we got away lightly there.
Yeah. We
Okay.
did. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Right.
Still tied that right up in the edit. Don't
Put
worry.
some tape around that because I don't want them coming off.
Oh, it's on the floor again.
Right, so we have got
Bosh, please. This is a temporary repair, right? So we've got it broke the ear off the starter though, so that's been welded back on. I'm going to replace it, but just for the sake of Adam C, because we love you, we're just going to get it working to perform. So that's how it is at the moment. Leave us alone. Don't complain about the welding. I didn't do it. A very experienced guy did. But that's a lot of weight just to hang on 2 bolt
this
holes.
is the thing that keeps falling off.
I know, it keeps breaking. It's done a lot of that stuff. I don't know if there's
Is it the same one that keeps falling off?
No.
It's a new one.
It's broken a few of them.
Welded on it.
Yeah, these bits.
Oh,
here.
yeah.
So I'm going to throw this boy in and Right.
Where's it go?
Go from there. Goes in that hole there, but you won't see it because Nick's stolen the torch, which he's not actually using.
You are some sort
How am I not using
You
it?
are a proper bell housing, aren't you?
Am I not using the torch?
What?
You don't love me, and I know
Well, that's the
If that
monetisation gone, isn't it?
I'd say if that gets us demonetised.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, maybe it did. That's a compliment to me, though, isn't it? It means it was good enough to be recognised.
Bell win.
YouTube
Bell
really
win.
tight.
Bell win.
Anyway, starters in. I'm just about to wire it up.
Right,
Nick's
he's
bang on it with the tools. Look at him go! Right up there he is.
Deep inside.
Deep inside, deep. Yeah, anyway. So he's doing that. Sump in, starter in.
Are all the bolts going in?
Yeah.
There's a couple left over.
He looks confident. The sump's
Don't think
taking a
you need-
whack. What we were actually doing, come around here, young Stuart.
Okay.
What we were actually doing, see this, I don't know, that torch is in the
Yeah,
way.
look.
See that yellow line there? So the idea, prior to us taking this to the show, was to drop the sump down, zip the sump off there, move the oil pickup up to give us a bit more ground clearance so we can lower the suspension.
Glad we've done
Yeah, because currently the sump does hang down quite far.
But we decided not to do that and just nip it up anyway.
Yeah, just get it cracking.
Progress.
Well, no, yeah, all right. Well, we could do that, but it won't be going to the show Monday. There's a poor connection here.
Yeah.
That is what do you want to crank it? Can do. Yeah. That's it. Starter's just here. I'll get on the throttle. There's a spark.
I want it to go then, didn't it?
Yeah. As soon as it starts to come off the starter, and I'll see if I can catch it. Try again. Residue where we've had oily hands and
When was the last time this was started? Well,
it was fired up once about 3 months ago, and then prior to that a year and a half. Doesn't it sound good though?
So does that mean we can go play at Adam Seafest?
Yes! Yes!
We're quite literally live now at Adam Seafest.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, mate. We're in the way. Yeah, we're at Adam Seafest, so the Escort's made it. Yeah. I was over there. Yeah, we're filming. Hello, Chiro.
Hello, how are we doing? You
Hello,
alright?
this is Chiro from Petalism.
Hello.
That sounds good on there. Still, you'll enjoy editing that. And we've got a few people who have turned out to see. Hello, should we do a run? Can we do some COVID hands? Ready? Go, 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 keep going, keep going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Yes! Yes! Easy top. Easy top, easy top. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Boom! Keep going, keep going. Oh, I'm up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Not for food, not for food. Yes.
And that is the fastest I've ever seen him run.
You lost the wedding ring.
There we go.
£2, you dropped it over there.
£2. Still find that very quick.
That's good running. Well done, mate.
about
Congratulations. And he's still standing as well. Well done.
Full well and John. Stu's doing his important bit now. Very important. Hashtag sponsor Safari.
Strap in.
Bit tired now.
Go on, Nick. How was that cardio? Get your steps in. Good. Lovely. I've got a feeling the people behind are going to get a good face full of molten rubber when it comes around. So
Those people there are going to have a good time.
This looks like the most relaxed burnout that's ever going to happen. These guys aren't stressed whatsoever.
Mr. Casual.
Yeah, that's a casual burnout. Confident. Oh, there we go.
Nick Cartwright.
That's a high statement. I think he's got lots of
You're not Nick Cartwright. Nah. Hello, how are you? You alright?
I'm alright, mate.
Yeah, good. Jerry, he's on the phone.
Oh yeah.
Are you booking new tyres in?
Yeah.
Booking new tyres.
He's bringing in new tyres. 3, 3, 2, 1, let's have it.
Oh my God, Motor Addicts, you guys are nuts, but you make my dreams come true.
Running.
That's you. Oh, hello. That's different.
Oh yeah, should we do one more? Yeah! Shall we do one more?
Yeah!
Right then.
One more!
That was pathetic. Come on, ZZ Top, get him round up. Oh, Wilson.
We're going to do one more.
In true Morex fashion, we always break something, don't we? It always sounds like that. Ah! We sent it too hard.
Oh wow! What's broken?
Start motor.
It's only the starter motor. Anybody got a hammer?
That's that starter motor gone, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to keep it running, because I thought if it's going to die, it'll do it once, because we've had it welded. So yeah, after about 5 seconds, I couldn't hear or see or smell anything inside.
That
was good.
3 hours in a workshop.
That was it. That was worth doing, wasn't it? I think we did what we came to do.
Absolutely,
It was quality, wasn't it?
like Nick is the king with the Challenger, but that
It's another level.
is the king's queen.
I got into third gear, so that's all I care about. Yeah. Thanks, mate. Thank you, buddy. Sorry. Have a good day, yeah?
There's a small fire. Just a small fire. Hey, we get to use that now. Hey, look, I got it. I'm a dab hand with these. I've used these all the time. This is how you do it. Don't worry, I got this. I got it. It's fine. Marshall, Nick got it. It's all right. Nick, brother, that was awesome. Thank you so much. Follow Nick Cartwright on Instagram.
Leave the
There we
car
go.
there now.
Yeah, I'm just going to leave it, yeah.
Right, so the Escort is sort of back. We got to do the starter motor again. But it's back. We got some more stuff coming. We're hopefully going to do a bit more with the Escort once it's all sorted, isn't that right?
The Escort on the channel. There you go. There's Escort on the channel.
Let's go on the channel for 5 short minutes, and what's going to happen next time? I'm going to fix the start motor again, I think. That's
And then we're going to go out and do something silly.
What should they do?
anything. Unless you go and
Like?
like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell.
And hit the bell! Well, you can. Thank you very much, ladies and gents. That is your lot.
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. I don't wake up, go dumb. I'm pretty God like a nun.